This is the latest addition to the fleet of trucks that we're building up here. This is a SCANIA S730 8x4. Very powerful truck, 730 horsepower. This one got 2 drive axles, 2 steering axles, and I can control the steering from underneath the truck just by pushing a lever. It's made of 4 types of wood again. We have Iroko on the wheels, and the main body of the truck this time is made with cherry. And we have walnut here in the front, and the interior, the lighter coloured timber, is ramming. As I say, it's an S730, so it's the next generation Scania with a new type grille, and the lights up here over the windscreen. Now if we look around the back, we've got the equipment tower here. We've got lockers on the top here which open and close. We have the air tanks up the top, and we have fuel tanks down here, diesel tanks, and the AdBlue tank in the middle, and these are the takeoff points for air and electrical going back to the trailer. That's it, Scania S730.